Hey guys, this is M Breaks. Thanks for joining us tonight. This is 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire, break number 602, the second of our two Bowman Draft breaks tonight. So we'll give it a couple minutes for people to find the live feed, and then we'll have a roll call and start ripping. If you haven't already, please like and follow us on Facebook. We don't sell singles. We don't pester you. All we do is throw up reminders of when we're breaking, what we're breaking, and maybe some pictures of some nice hits that we might have. So, yeah, man, thanks for joining us. All right, guys, tonight it's pretty simple. We have 4 of these 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire hobby boxes. Each box should have at least 2 parallels numbered in here. They're pretty sharp looking cards if you haven't seen them yet. And all the big names, well, almost all of them. There are a few that aren't in the checklist, but a lot of the big names from this past year's draft. So as far as the roll call goes, Bryce has the Angels, David M. has the Red Sox, Rockies, and Twins, Eric has the Tigers, Isaac has the Blue Jays, Joe S. has the Orioles, John S. has the Phillies, Jordan has the Braves, Josh H. has Marlins, Brewers, A's, Cardinals, Rangers. Thank you, Josh. Kyle has the White Sox, Mark has the Astros and the Mets. Matthew has the Dodgers. Michael Red has Padres, Giants, and Rays. Michael Knight has the Pirates. Nicholas B has D-backs and Royals. Nick S has the Cubs. Robert W has the Reds. Rocky has the Mariners. Tom has the Guardians. And Tyler has Yankees and Nationals. All right, gentlemen and ladies, without further ado, we'll start opening. Good luck to everybody. All the big hits will be top loaded before we send them out, and all the cards will be penny sleeve. So I am solo right now, so I'm not going to top load as many cards as we normally would during the break, just for the sake of time. But we will have a recap at the end where I'll run through all the firsts, and of course any hits in color. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8. Box number 1. Good luck, everyone. Thank you for everybody that paid on time. Jose Ramos to the Dodgers. Mikey Romero, big first to the Red Sox. First round pick there. Chase DeLauder, first round pick there to the Guardians. And Marcelo Mayer. So off to a good start. Well, got a parallel on that one, so we'll put that one down, sweat it out till the end of this box. Did seem like out of the 4 boxes we broke last break, yep, packs 2 and 3 normally I think would have the parallels. There was one box that was a little different. First box, the first and second packs had them. All right, Henry Bolte, Nick York, Oscar Colas to the White Sox, and Nate Furman to the Guardians. These are really, really pretty cards. Sharp. Robert Moore, first to the Brewers. Michael Hernandez to the Orioles. Yasser Mercedes, Twins. And Ignacio Alvarez, first to the Braves. Jimmy Crooks to the Cardinals. Alexis Hernandez, Henry Williams, Padres, and Jake Bennett to the Nationals. Jacob Marcy to the Padres. Troy Milton, Tigers. Kenya Huggins to the Reds. And Peyton Pallett, White Sox. All right, last pack before we get to the packs with the parallels. Bryson Motts, Khalil Watson, William Kempner, Giants, and Colson Montgomery to the White Sox. All right, let's see. Let's see what color we have. All right, Jason Dominguez. Nice hit there to the Yankees. And James Triantos. Nice hit to the Cubs here. Number 13 out of 99 on the yellow parallel. Nice hit there. Congrats to the Cubs. And we have Hendry Mendez to the Brewers and Clark Elliott, first rounder to the A's. And our next parallel pack, Matt McLean to the Reds. Eric Brown Jr., first round pick to the Brewers. And it's not a first, it's another Brewer, Felix Valerio. On the green parallel, 47, number 47 out of 50 to the Brew Crew. Congrats to them. And there we go, that's a big name. Gavin Cross. Top 10 pick to the Royals. So let's get some of these guys sleeved up and start a little board here. Bear with me. Like I said, we will run through the firsts at the end and all the color. So if you have to step away, don't worry about it. And our videos always stay up on Facebook and on our YouTube channel. It's always more quiet when I go solo because I don't have my partner making fun of me or, you know, talking about different stuff. So apologies for that. You want to make fun of me? You're going to sit and make fun of me for the camera, right? Sorry, I can't pay you. You're out. Thanks. Thanks, babe. All right, let's get these guys up here. All right, box number 2. right, so we'll push packs 2 and 3 to the bottom. Let's see if maybe we get lucky and our parallels go to the bottom. Box number 2 for 4. All right, Justin Campbell to the Guardians, Robert Hassel, Nationals, Edie Leonard, Dodgers, and Logan Tanner to the Reds. Blaze Jordan, shout out to Blaze, super nice guy. Robbie Snelling to the Padres. Connor Pralip to the Twins. And Jose Salas to the Marlins. So the brewer is Felix Valerio. It's not a first. Numbered 47 out of 50. That's the green Sapphire. There we go, Anthony Volpe. So we got Dominguez and Volpe already. Ryan Cermak to the Rays. Jackson Jobe, Tigers. And Yerlin Confident to the Reds. One Ben Cho. Lamar King Jr. to the Padres. There we go, Zach Neto. Big name there to the Angels. And Samuel Zavala. Simon Wan. Hunter Barco. First to the Pirates. Cooper Zerpe. First to the Cardinals. And Andrew Pintar. First to the D-backs. Alex McFarland. Phillies. Ceddanne Rafaela. Big name to the Red Sox. Christian Hernandez. Big name to the Cubs. And Carson Palmquist. First to the Rockies. All right. Looks like we guessed right. And our parallels should be in these 2 packs. Oh, nice. Nice card right there. Jackson Holiday. The belle of the ball. So congrats to the Orioles. Nice hit right there. Definitely one of the top 2 or 3 guys that people are chasing in this set. Ellie De La Cruz, another huge name, not a first. And, ooh, got a yellow first. It's a Dodger, Alex Freeland. Let's check him out. And then we have a Warming Burnable base behind that. Let's check out this. Freeland is numbered 74 out of 99 to the Dodgers. 3rd round pick. 105 overall out of Central Florida. So congrats to the Dodgers on that hit. And we've got a green in this one. So we'll swap it to the back. We'll do it that way. Trace Gonzalez, first to the Pirates. Ben Joyce, first to the Angels. Noah Schultz, 1st round pick to the White Sox. And we got a green first. Ooh, it's a Nationals player. Brenner Cox, man. My heart started beating pretty fast there. Thinking it might have been Elijah. But Brenner Cox on the 1st to the Nationals, number 3 out of 50. 4th round pick out of high school. All right. Nice hit there to the Nats. So we'll update our board. We're halfway home. Yeah, I hear you, Tyler. My heart started beating a little bit there when I saw it was a first and a Nationals player. Shoot. That would have been pretty sweet. All right. We're going to bump these two guys. Get Jackson up here. We'll take Chase off. Get our two first colors up there. And bump him. We'll get Zach Neto some love. All right. All right. 2 boxes down, 2 to go. We'll push the second and third packs to the bottom again, see if the pattern holds true to this box as far as our parallels are concerned. Oh, nope. Pack number 1 had a green in it, so we'll put that one to the side. Yeah, we had a Chase base, but we'll run through all the firsts at the end, Tom, so you'll be able to see. Brian Acuna to the Twins, Caden Wallace first to the Royals, Alex DeJesus, Blue Jays, and Gabriel Rincones to the Phils. Dustin Harris, Rangers, Landon Sims to the D-backs, Samuel Munoz, and Jared McKenzie, first to the Nats. Okay. Eric Hernandez. There we go. Jace Young. Big hit there to Detroit. Steven Zobak, first to the Royals. There's another Chase. So I think this is the second one we've hit. Chase DeLauter. First rounder there to the Guardians. There we go, man. I guess you showed up at the right time, Tom. George Valera. Ooh, there's a big hit. Tamara Johnson. Nice hit there to the Pirates. Congrats, Pirates. Marcelo Mayer. Nice looking prospect. And another Gavin Cross. So Gavin ×2 and Chase ×2. Not bad. Not a bad box right here. Not bad. All right, Christopher Picalia. Third rounder. Okay. Haven't seen him before. John Kenzie Noel. Hendry Mendez. And Clark Elliott. I think the second time we've seen him to the A's. Oh, there's another. All right, so there's 2 parallels. We'll stack them and sweat those out a little bit. Let's see what's in this pack. All right. Tanner Schobel to the Twins. Mason Wynn, Cardinals. Pete Hansen, first to the Cardinals. And Cole Phillips, first to the Braves. All right, let's see what's in these packs. All right. We're going to pull from the back here. We got Brady House to the Nats. Jay Allen, Reds. Yanquiel Fernandez to the Rockies. We have a first. It's a Cub. On the yellow, it's Nazir Muley. That is numbered 82 out of 99. Congrats to the Cubs on a nice hit. And that's a fourth rounder. Very nice. Nice hit there. All right, we'll put this one in the back. Jackson Cox, first to the Rockies. Manuel Rodriguez to the Twins. Jordan Walker, big name there, to the Cardinals. And it's an Angel, not a first. Errol Vera on the green parallel. 31 out of 50. So congrats to the Angels there. Nice card. Nice card. All right, I gotta sleeve some guys up, so bear with me again for a minute. All right, we'll get some more. Yeah, we'll take Neto off. Get some more up there. All right, guys, last box. All right, Isaac. Let's see if we can find them. Second and third pack, we'll flip to the bottom. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, guys, good luck. We will be doing 2 more Sapphire breaks on Thursday as a way of a plug before I get into this last box. So my partner has 8 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire boxes that we're breaking on Thursday. So that has all the big rookies, you know, Witt, J-Rod, all those guys, and has the chance for autos and all that stuff. So that's on Thursday. And we're also breaking more of this, the Bowman Draft Sapphire, on Thursday. So make sure you check those listings out. They're pinned on our Facebook page right now, so you guys can go check those out. Willie Vasquez to the Rays. Jordan Walker again. Jackson Cox again. And Emmanuel Rodriguez. That might have been the same exact pack as the last box. Tanner Schobel, Brian Acuna, Alex DeJesus, and Gabriel Rincones. Caden Wallace, first to Kansas City. Dustin Harris, Samuel Munoz, and Jared McKenzie, first to the Nats. Landon Sims, first to the D-backs. Eric Hernandez. Steven Zobak, Kansas City. Chase DeLauter ×3. Wow, he's showing up. 3 of them in 4 boxes, man, that's crazy. Another Jace Jung to the Tigers. George Valera again. A lot of the same guys as the last box, or one of those boxes. Marcelo Mayer and Gavin Cross again. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's like the same box, except for the parallels, I guess, might be different. That's nice. Nice for the Pirates. Tamar Johnson ×2. Christopher Pasiola. Hendry Mendez. And Clark Elliott again. Wow. All right, we've got 2 packs left. Should have our parallels. Hopefully we hit something big. That'd be a nice way to end it. All right, we're going to put our green to the back here. We got Brady House, Pete Hansen, Jay Allen, and it's a first. It's a Diamondback, Dylan Ray on the green. Number 6/50 on the green, Sapphire. 4th round pick out of Alabama. All right, Dylan Ray to the D-backs. Last pack of the night, and then we'll have our recap. Get a couple of these joints top loaded. Then we'll run through all the firsts. Got a yellow. Cole Phillips, Braves. Yanquiel Fernandez. Mason Wynn. And not a first, it's a Brewer again. Woo, that's a nice one. Look at that. Jackson Chourio. That's a nice way to end it right there. Nice hit, nice color match. That looks sharp. Congrats to the Brewers. Man, not bad. Number 47/99. Not bad at all. Wow. He really lit the world on fire last year. So, man, nice hit. That's cool. I'm jealous of that one a little bit. All right, guys, give me 1 sec and we will have a recap. Like I said, please like and follow us. We don't solicit. We don't sell singles. All we do is say, hey, we're breaking on whatever day. Here's a link to the breaks. We might do that a few times a week. We might throw up some pictures of some nice hits that we pull in the breaks to congratulate the people who hit. Been doing this for about 3 years now. Sports of all kinds, a little WWE once in a while. But I think going into this year, we're going to do a lot of baseball, maybe some football. So, all right, let's see. All right, let's go through some of our firsts. In no particular order. All right. Eric Brown Jr., we'll go quick. Clark Elliott, William Kempner, Brian Motts, Peyton Pallett, Kenya Huggins, Troy Melton, Jacob Marcy, Jake Bennett, Henry Williams, Jimmy Crooks, Ignacio Alvarez, Robert Moore, Henry Bolte, and Nate Furman. Cole Phillips, Pete Hansen, Clark Elliott, Christopher P., Steven Zobak, Landon Sims, Jared McKenzie, Caden Wallace, Gabrielle Rincones, Tanner Schobel, Jackson Cox ×2, Cole Phillips, Pete Hansen, Tanner Schobel, Clark Elliott, Christopher P., Steven Zobak, Jared McKenzie, Landon Sims, Gabrielle Rincones, Caden Wallace, Noah Schultz, Ben Joyce, Trace Gonzalez, Carson Palmquist, Alex McFarland, Andrew Pintar, Cooper Jerpe, Hunter Barco, Lamar King Jr., Ryan Cermak, Connor Pralip, Robbie Snelling, Logan Tanner, Justin Campbell, Mikey Romero, Chase DeLauter, Zach Neto, Chase DeLauter, Gavin Cross, Jace Jung, Chase DeLauter, Jace Jung. And then our color, and then we'll come to the big hits. Errol Vera out of 50 on the green. Felix Valerio out of 50 on the green. James Triantos out of 99 for the Cubs. Nazir Mule on the first yellow out of 99 to the Cubs. Brenner Cox, green out of 50, first to the Nats. Alex Freeland on the first yellow, parallel out of 99 to the Dodgers. Dylan Ray to the D-backs, a first green out of 50. And this sweet Jackson Chourio on the yellow color match out of 99 to the Brew Crew. And then we did have 2 Tamar Johnsons and 1 Jackson Holiday. So congrats, everybody. Hope you guys had a good time, and we'll get these cards out first thing Monday. Thanks, everybody, for paying on time, and we'll see you next time.